Yo YouTube, what's good? This is Kobus, the realist OG. I'm back with another video. So this is Nas and SMP 500. So currently, what I see on these both assets is that we are trading on monthly time frame, on monthly levels. We are trading on monthly order blocks. So when you're trading on a monthly order block, there's specific things which I look for. I look for example, if let's say this is a bullish order block, there are specific things which I look for. What do I look for? I'm looking for um a buy model on a daily time frame. So these ones will require you to be patient because it will take time. And I'm looking for something like this, and then I want to see price going up. Usually what I like is sometimes when I see SMT, I know that when I see the divergence in the closely correlated pair, that kinds of like puts more, it increases the probability of the setup. So let's say Nas100 made a low here and then a lower low here. Check the vertical line. This is a low, a swing high, a lower low. So at the same time, when there's divergence, let's say S&P 500 will also form the same setup, but usually it may form something like this, or this will be vice versa. And then you see this one failed to make a lower low here, and then this one made a lower low. This is something which I like to see. It's not guaranteed that it will form exactly as it is here. This might be on SP500 and this one might be on Nas, or vice versa. I'm just giving you some sort of like an example of what might happen. So since you're trading on a monthly level, I would want to see a buy model on a daily time frame. Let's dive to daily time frame and see what's happening there. Okay, so on daily we see that no, so far there are no signs of selling here, no, of buying. So far there's no buy model. The market has not yet gave us signs that it wants to buy. Okay, we see that the market on both assets, it came to the 50% of the order block and then rejected. This one also came to the 50% and rejected. But what I see now is that last week we sold on both Nas and SP500. We broke structure here. At this, check the vertical line. What Nas was doing at the same time what SP500 was doing when Nas was breaking structure. So this is our swing low. We traded up and then we broke structure here, and then we created an inducement here. Please check the vertical line because I'm talking about both assets at the same time. We created a swing high on this vertical line represents a swing high, and then we cleaned that swing high while testing this order block. At the same time on Nas, we also cleaned the swing high while testing the gap and the open of that order block, and then the market fell with a momentum to the downside to this monthly level, and then it rejected on Monday. Tuesday did nothing. Today is Wednesday. We don't know what's going to happen. I think this week there are no high impact news. They're on Friday. So far, two scenarios can happen here on this asset. So far, on a daily time frame, the market is showing bearish bearish move or bearish setups. Remember that I told you we are looking for a buy model on a daily time frame, on a monthly level, using a monthly level, I mean. So far there's no sign of buy model. Okay, what I see instead is I see that the market, this is a swing high, another swing high, a higher high. We broke structure here with momentum. So what we can look for in the meantime while waiting for that daily setup to form, mind you, I'm not saying that it's going to form, I'm saying while we're waiting it to form, it might not form, which is okay. I can't tell what the market must do or will do. I just wait for it to do it, and then I participate in the moves. So I see that we left an order block here. Okay, and then again here we also have an order block, both on Nas and SP500. So what in the meantime, suppose let's say the market comes here, we can look for a sell model on a 1 hour time frame. What is a sell model? I want to see something like this on a 1 hour time frame, something like this. Okay, some people call it head and shoulders. I don't know, I think it's the same thing. Okay, and then maybe this side, something like this. SMT, usually high probability setups have like SMTs or smart money 2 or some divergence. So yeah, let me be clear again. What is it that I'll be looking for now? If the market comes to premium of this move from here to here, the premium of this move about 50%, probably 50% somewhere here. If the market comes here and then form this model, I know that we are selling. Same with Nas here. If the market comes here, forms something like this or this, I know that we are selling. So it's a high probability setup, which may lose, which is normal. But my point is, if we come here from this, at the same time Nas is also in premium from something like this or this, I would know that maybe that's a sell. I know that that's a sell model. Okay, while in the meantime I'm waiting for, okay, this may not form. Suppose we form this, where's my, I lost it. Okay, because this is a monthly level. If we form something like this, here, well, I would be knowing that the market now is buying. So there are two scenarios here which can happen. We are on a monthly level. If we see this on a daily structure, it's a buy. Okay, I hope I'm clear. If we see this, wait. If we see something like this, why is this refusing to move? I don't know, man. Doesn't want to move. If we see this on this premium, on a 1 hour time frame, that's a sell model. So that's what I would be looking for personally. Me, if you're interested in learning how to do these things, these are not my concept. I'm using ICT's concept. You can just go to his channel and learn them and find the model which aligns with your personality and then trade it. I'm not advising anyone to use. This is just some sort of like a guide of what price might do, and it's part of my journaling. I'm journaling when I'm doing this. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share, guys, on Nas100 and SP500. Again, if let's say Nas100 does not respect this monthly level, okay, I would know that maybe we are coming to this one like here, and then I also highlighted it on Nas. So patience, we just have to wait and see what the market does. Again, I'm going to mention that if you're interested in interpreting price the way I interpret it, go to the inner circle trader, and you can go through his channel. He teaches all this concept. That's where I learned. It's going to take time, but it's doable. It's not easy. Journal. When he says pause and do those things, because me, I used to skip them, and I'm like, bruh, let's move. You taking time. I want to finish this video. I just wanted to finish the videos, but I didn't know that I'm hindering my progress by not following what he says. And then I went back to rewatch them again, and I was like, okay. When he says pause, I pause and I check it. Well, it was actually a bit easy after watching them for the second time, because I took time to learn this type of stuff. So when I went back, I already have an idea of what is it that we're looking for. But yeah, so this is what I just wanted to share, guys. Be safe. Peace. See you next time.